Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to deposit crypto to your account. How you can make deposit of your crypto. Let's look at deposit here, either up here, this one. You can click from there and then you go to the search bar. You type whatever crypto you want to deposit. If you want to deposit Ethereum, you can look at Ethereum here, look at Solana, look at Tron, and then look at Pulse. Okay, if you want to deposit Solana, for example, let's assume you did not see Solana here. You can just type here SOL on the search bar. You then click enter. Okay, Solana will come out. This is Solana. From there, you now click on this. This is my deposit address for Solana. Or you just click here. See, it has showed copied successfully. Or you just copy this yellow icon where you see copy address. You click there, the same thing will come out, copied successfully. Okay, if you don't want to use that method, if you don't want to copy this, if you don't want to click on deposit, you can come down below this tax bar where you see home, you see market, you see tool, you see trade, you see earn, and then you see asset. Once you click on asset, then you can now click on deposit up here. Up here where you see deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert, you just click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you go down below and click on deposit crypto. You still get at the same point where you can choose any of the currencies you want to, any of the crypto or any meme coin that you want to deposit on. Okay, all right, aside from that, I'll also show you how you can convert your coin, your crypto. When you click here, convert, up here you click on convert. Up here you will see Bitcoin, BTC. Okay, if you want to transfer BTC to USDT, all you need to do is to click on, right now I don't have anything, I'm just showing this tutorial. I don't have any money on my account on BTC. So you're going to click either maximum that you want to convert or whatever you want to convert. You just type your figures there. You just type, and then the next thing you click on quotes. Once you click on quotes, this BTC will be transferred to USDT. You now click on quotes. What I will do is probably maybe tomorrow or so I'm going to prepare a video where I will show you practically how to do it. But this is just the way how to do it. When you have your money, just click on convert, put in whatever figure you want to put in there, and then it is going to swap your BTC to USDT. Then you click on quotes. All right, so I can't move further from here because there's no money right here. I hope you guys understand what I've been able to show you right now. Thank you. If you have any question, if it's difficult for you to understand, please drop it on the comment section below. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much and stay blessed.